everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Christmas mug rugs. This is episode 1 in Christmas in July series. This is a great way to use up scraps as well. So let's get started. And I do have the measurements for the fabric pieces in the description box below.
For Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm.
And now I cut my fabric strips just a little bit larger than the batting.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
And now I arrange the fabric strips.
May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
And before I start sewing, what I like to do is stack the pieces in the order that I want to sew them in. And with right sides together, sew the first two pieces together onto the batting. And as I'm sewing, I do finger press in between each layer, or if you prefer, you can iron. And now I'm going to trim the fabric to a 6.5-inch square.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
And now I'm going to mark approximately a 3.5-inch opening where we're going to be turning the mug rug. And once I pin or wonder clip, then we sew. Now, as you can tell in the video, that some of my batting is not completely covering the fabric, but I am going to be using the fabric as the stitching guide.
In Christmas times. Oh, and be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night.
And now it's time to trim and clip the corners.
I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
And now it's time to turn the mug rug right side out. And what I like to use for the corners is a dowel rod. And now I'm going to iron prior to top stitching. For the top stitching, I do increase my stitch length and top stitch approximately 1/8 of an inch all around. And I also have a tea towel dress that's really cute, would make a really great holiday gift as well, and I'll leave the link in the description box and also in the iCard. Well, thanks for watching everybody. Happy sewing. See you next time.